How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you the exact secrets of how to make an ad go viral on TikTok. If you're not on TikTok right now and you're not advertising, you're potentially losing thousands of dollars in revenue every single month. TikTok is the emerging platform. It's by far the best place in terms of social media to advertise your product right now. It's like the Facebook ads of 4 years ago. If you make one product go viral on TikTok, you have a business that could potentially make you millions of dollars, gain millions of followers on social media, and your business itself can go completely viral. Now, of course, it's not that easy. You have to understand that TikTok has a lot of things that you need to know about, such as the people on this app have a very low attention span. You have to appeal to a lot of Gen Z and millennials for you to really be successful on this platform, because those are the people that are using the platform. That's the demographic you have to appeal to, which there's nothing wrong with that. If you're trying to appeal to the younger generation, you can have potential customers for years and years afterward. Even though people that are using TikTok have the attention span of a goldfish, you could still make a ton of money using this platform. And really, it doesn't matter whether or not they have the attention span of a goldfish, because you can capture their attention. You can be a memorable product for them if it's something that is worth buying for Gen Z or millennials that are using TikTok itself. I'm going to get to all the innuendos of advertising on TikTok and all the secrets of it, but you have to remember to like and subscribe. Keep on watching this entire video to capture all of the information that is coming at you. So let's just say you don't have a lot of money to advertise on TikTok. That's not a big deal at all. You can make a video, a bunch of screaming people all around. To make a funny video, something that's very quick and entertaining, that's just about like 15 seconds long. To capture Gen Z and millennials' attention that are using TikTok, you need to be quick, otherwise they could possibly just skip over your ad itself. You need a great attention grabber. Right off the bat, like 2 seconds into the video, just have something crazy and outrageous to really capture someone's attention. If you do this, people are going to be engaged in the video and they're going to keep on watching. If you capture people's attention very quickly and they're engaged in the video within like 2 to 4 seconds, you have them captured and they'll continue watching as long as you continue holding their attention.
Has 40 million views. It's so cute. $24.99.
And so what I would recommend is really feeding to your strength. So what are you most comfortable with doing? Are you most comfortable doing comedy? Are you most comfortable with just showing the ad just very quickly, making sure everybody sees the features of your product, and making sure you have a very high engagement that could potentially get people to go to your Shopify store? Something to really keep in mind, and a lot of people don't even talk about this that much, is that it's very easy to get banned on TikTok. It's extremely easy for TikTok itself to just be like, oh, we don't really like your ad. We don't like the product that you're trying to sell. And so they wouldn't even allow sometimes the advertisement to be on TikTok. You need to make sure you read all of their terms and conditions to make sure you're able to go on TikTok, sell your item as well, because this is very important. I don't want anyone to try to go on TikTok and try to sell, let's just say, a health product, and that certain health product will be just completely banned off of TikTok. And you yourself could also get banned as well if you're trying to sell a product that they just don't like. Whatever you feel most comfortable doing in terms of making a video is going to come very natural to the viewer, and you're going to have a very high engagement as well if you understand the product that you're trying to sell and try to market to. Also, you need to understand the demographic. If you understand what Gen Z wants, if you understand what millennials want as well, you can very easily target your item, and they would organically look at your ad and say, wow, this is a great product. If you're very cringe, if you make a very cringe ad, people are not going to click on it. They're just going to skip over the ad and just not even pay attention to you. If you make a lot of cringe crap and ads that are not appealing to anyone and very bland, and you really don't put a lot of effort in, just go in the Facebook ads corner. Just go in a corner and just go in a corner and think about what you've done. I'm going to put a dunce cap on you. Do not try to make a bland video on TikTok. What are you, crazy? If you want an ad that converts very well for you, you need to make a video that a lot of people are engaged in, of course. Now, there are two ways to advertise on TikTok. You can, one, of course, pay money for an ad, or you can even make organic ads, and you don't even have to pay any money to make some of these advertisements because they're just natural videos. So all you have to do really is just like kind of hide your brand and kind of hide the fact that you're trying to advertise, make it look like you're just a regular person that is trying to sell this product on TikTok. But I will have to say this, TikTok ads ads do work if you do want to pay some money to have your product being advertised on the platform itself. So there are definitely two ways to go with it. It just depends on what you want to do. So concentrating on how to make an ad go viral, like I said again, is to make sure the product has a very high engagement rate. Like, go and try to take inspiration from very high converting advertisements like the ones from State Farm and Geico as well, because those are, I know to a lot of you they're possibly very annoying, but a lot of those videos back in the day, like you remember the one with the, he's wearing khakis like Jake from State Farm. Everyone remembers that commercial. Other ones with the squirrel and Geico, everybody remembers that commercial. The Wednesday hump day commercial with Geico. You need to make an ad that resonates with people. If something that really resonates with someone, then they'll take a look at your TikTok and be like, wow, this is an awesome product. Let's just say you have someone going down a water slide wearing like these cool goggles that you're trying to sell on TikTok. Let's just say you're trying to do that. If you can have a water slide, if someone going down a water slide, taking off their goggles in front of the video that you're itself, like a POV kind of GoPro action sort of video, that's going to be potentially making you thousands of dollars per month if you have an advertisement such as that one, because it's really fun and it's really cool, really engaging for the millennial as well as the Gen Z to try to take a look at that video and say, wow, this is like some awesome freaking goggles. I need that. Where do I get it? Click. Absolutely. They're going to go to your website and you're going to sell a ton of them potentially if you market the product correctly. I want you to remember something too with GoPro. GoPro had some of the most successful advertising campaigns of all time. GoPro was successful because of the way they marketed the product. So you have like a simple little camera that can capture you going down a ski slope, or someone who's in the middle of the ocean and is surfing, and it can capture everything within like a small little lens, and you can just carry it around. GoPro was extremely successful because they showed this type of advertisement. TikTok, you could do the same exact sort of thing that GoPro did. So I want you to take inspiration from a bunch of companies with ads that went viral before. Now, these are just some of the ways. Obviously, there are a bunch of ways to make an item go viral as well, but I'm just telling you these for right now. And I have a bunch more videos about TikTok itself. Remember to like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell for more. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.